In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a scheduled meeting from Google Calendar. We'll walk through the simplest way to get into your meeting right on time, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way so nothing slows you down. First, open Google Calendar in your browser or the app. This is your hub for all upcoming events. If you have a lot on your schedule, switching to day or week view can make it easier to spot what's next. Also, make sure you're looking at the correct date and time, especially if you travel or work across time zones. Next, look for the scheduled meeting you need to join. Events with online details usually include a small video icon, which is a good hint that a meeting link is attached. When you see the event you're after, click it to open the details. In the event details panel, look for the Join with Google Meet button or the Meet link. This is where you'll connect. If the event includes a Meet link, it'll appear clearly so you can launch the meeting in a new tab. If you don't see the meeting on your calendar, try the built-in search. Click the search icon at the top of Calendar. This is a quick way to pull up events without scrolling through days or weeks. In the search field, type the word meeting. This broad search term will surface any upcoming or recent events with that word in the title or description. If you know the exact meeting name, you can type that instead. But meeting is a great catch-all when you're not sure. You'll now see a list of matching scheduled meetings. Scan the results for the specific one you need. If you have multiple calendars, this list may include items from each, which can be helpful if you manage personal and work schedules together. Click the specific meeting from the results to open its details. You'll land back on the event panel with everything you need in one place. Finally, click Join with Google Meet. This opens the pre-join screen where you can verify your camera and microphone. Take a second to check your audio and background, then proceed to join. If your browser prompts for permission to use the mic or camera, allow it so others can hear and see you. That's it. Open Google Calendar, find your event, click it, and use Join with Google Meet. If you can't locate the event, use the search icon, type meeting, choose the correct result, and then join from the event details. Follow these steps and you'll be in your meeting quickly and confidently every time.